Do you dream of gorgeous long hair? Many women do. But the longer your hair gets, the more it tends to rebel. Dandruff, hair fall, split ends, and dryness can start to appear. Ignore these warning signs, and in a few years, your mane could look very different. Your hair is your crowning glory. Treat it like one. Today, I'll share 5 simple steps to keep it strong, shiny, and absolutely stunning. Ready? Let's do this. Step 1. Deep scalp cleansing. Buildup from dirt, oil, and styling products can clog your scalp. Start with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo. For an oily or flaky scalp, choose one with tea tree oil or salicylic acid. Massage it into your scalp for a minute to lift dirt, then rinse with lukewarm water. If you sweat a lot, washing daily can be fine. Otherwise, 2 to 3 times a week should suffice. Step 2. Deep conditioning. After shampoo, your hair may feel a bit dry. That's normal. Squeeze out excess water, then apply a conditioner or hair mask to the mid-lengths and ends. Avoid the scalp. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse with cool water to lock in hydration. For extra pampering, use a deep conditioning mask weekly. Avoid 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner products. Using a separate conditioner always works better. Step 3. Gentle drying. Wet hair is fragile. Instead of rubbing it with a towel, gently pat or squeeze it dry. A soft microfiber towel works great for absorbing moisture without roughing up your strands. If you blow dry, use low or medium heat and keep the dryer moving. And before using hot tools, straighteners, or curling irons, apply a heat protectant spray. These steps will help prevent breakage and damage. Step 4. Nourishing oils and serums. Apply just a few drops of a light hair oil or serum to your mid-lengths and ends. Avoid the scalp. Argan or jojoba oil work well. Once a month, do a deep oil mask, warm some coconut oil, massage it through your hair, leave it for about an hour, then shampoo it out. Also, try not to sleep with heavy styling products in your hair. Step 5. Nutrition and lifestyle. Healthy hair starts from within. Eat plenty of protein, hair is mostly keratin, eggs, fish, chicken, or beans. Healthy fats, nuts, seeds, avocado make hair shiny. Eat lots of fruits and veggies too. Vitamins C, A, and E support scalp health. Iron and zinc are important as well. Drink plenty of water each day. Finally, get enough sleep and manage stress. High stress can trigger hair loss. And there you have it. 5 essential steps to gorgeous, healthy hair. Stick to these tips, and over time, you'll see your hair become stronger, shinier, and more vibrant. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and have a beautiful day.